Let's take a look at that lion gorilla animal fusion. Pretty impressive, right? A lot of you guys have been asking me to teach you guys how to create those types of videos. And I have good news for you guys. AI Fusion Master will teach how to create videos like that step by step and make your first thousands of dollars on TikTok. So stay with me. It was all AI generated, and you've probably seen videos like it in your shorts or TikTok feed. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own. But why even bother? Well, it's part of a new viral TikTok and YouTube Shorts trend. Just look at this channel called AI Creator. They're only one of many producing these shorts and racking up millions of views and thousands of subscribers. Check out their 335,000 plus subscribers and a staggering 100 million views. That's wild. These shorts are really blowing up. And if you peek at their social blade, they're estimated to earn between $6,000 and over $10,000 a month, which is incredible. So if you want to ride this fresh YouTube Shorts and TikTok wave, go viral and pocket some serious cash, you're in luck. I'll show you how to make these hybrid animal fusion videos, like the one from the start, plus how to top the competition in this niche. Excited? Then let's jump right in. All right, so our first step is to make image prompts with ChatGPT. We'll ask it to imagine a scene with a lion and a gorilla side by side in the jungle. Then, still in the same chat, we'll ask ChatGPT for a fusion idea so our animals combine into one powerful hybrid creature. You might notice that sometimes ChatGPT gives answers that aren't exactly what we were hoping for. In this example, I wanted everything in a single prompt, so I told it to put all the details into one sentence. That's how you should work with ChatGPT. If it doesn't give you the result you wanted, just guide it again until it does. Okay, once we have our prompts ready, we'll jump over to ideogram.ai to create our images. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into ideogram.ai, and be sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts before hitting generate. We'll end up with 4 different results, and since I really like this one, I'll go ahead and download it. I almost forgot, we also need a prompt for the lion and gorilla hybrid. This is the final fusion of our two animals. We'll ask ChatGPT again for that prompt, and make sure to mention we want the same jungle setting where the animals are standing together. This part is super important. Now we'll paste this new prompt from ChatGPT back into Ideogram. While we wait for the videos to generate, let me introduce you to a huge opportunity you won't want to miss. We've built the best AI content creation course on the internet, where I share all my secret strategies and viral prompts that help me reach 1.5 million followers across social media, gain over 100 million views, and earn thousands of dollars through TikTok and YouTube monetization. Thanks to the AI Content Starter Kit, one of my clients went from 500 views to a staggering 2 to 5 million. By joining us, you'll also get access to the best AI community while it's still free. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to learn more. Wow, I love how fierce it looks. And the jungle vibe matches perfectly with our first image. Next, we'll head over to Kling.ai to work on our very first animal fusion. Go to AI videos and upload the images. Choose Kling 1.0 or 1.5 because they include the end frame feature. After you pick the first image, click Add the end frame and select our gorilla lion hybrid. Then paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT into the prompt box. You can also add negative prompts, just like we saw in the tutorial, to make the final result even better. We want to outshine the competition, so let's go all in on quality. Hit Generate. While we wait, let's try the same approach with other AI tools, Luma Labs and Hyper.ai, and see which one delivers the best quality. First, we'll repeat the process in Luma Labs using the same prompt. Then do the same in Hyper.ai. I'll show you which one of these AI tools ends up being the top choice for fusions. Okay, looks like our videos are ready, so let's check them out. We'll start with Kling. Wow, I'm really happy with how that turned out. Looks awesome. Now let's see the one from Luma Labs. It's a bit funny, but still pretty cool. Finally, Hyper.ai. Honestly, I'd say it's the weakest of the bunch, haha. Anyway, I think you understand the workflow now. You can use these prompts as a template and just switch up the animals you want to fuse. There's one important thing to remember though. Make sure the background in your first frame and end frame match so you get a smooth transition without distortion. Let's try something totally different, like fusing a zebra with a war tank while using backgrounds that don't match. I've got one image of a zebra standing in front of a tank, plus a cyborg zebra as the end frame. Let's see what happens. As you can see, Kling couldn't even finish generating it because the backgrounds are completely different. So keep that in mind if you don't want to waste your credits. Now let's repeat the process, but this time we'll fuse a cheetah with a panda. We'll just reuse our previous prompts and swap in these new animals. Be sure to ask ChatGPT for the same background and scene where the animals are side by side. Now we'll jump over to Ideogram.ai to generate our images. We'll start by placing the cheetah and panda together, and don't forget the 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, we'll copy the prompt for our cheetah panda hybrid. Make sure it has the most similar background possible. I really love how this turned out. We'll download them and then run them through Luma Labs. Here's the result, and I'm super happy with it. And finally, let's talk about editing these viral fusion videos in CapCut. Start a new project, then import the materials we created earlier, the image of our animals standing together, and the fusion video of those animals. Drag those materials into the CapCut editing panel. Once everything is in place, arrange and organize them so the static image of the animals comes first, followed immediately by their fusion video. Once you have the right structure, we will add the plus sign between animals to let people know that the fusion is about to happen. To do that, go to the Text tab on the top left side of the screen and choose Default Text. Once you see the orange line of text on your workstation, adjust it so it ends right before the fusion video starts. You can customize the font and color of your text on the right tab as you can see here. Repeat the same process for each static image of animals standing together. I would also recommend adding transitions between animal functions to make the video smoother. Navigate the part where you want your transition to take place and choose the transition effect that you want. You can also add animation for the plus sign that we added earlier. To do that, click the orange text bar on your workstation and navigate to the right side of the screen where you will find the animation tab. There you can choose to start and end animation and then adjust it to your liking. After you have everything set up and ready, you can just copy and paste the whole workspace to meet the 1-minute requirement for TikTok monetization. All you have to do now is to replace the duplicates with different fusions. That would make your whole work process way easier and quicker. One more step, adding music. We'll go to YouTube and find a good funk soundtrack like this one here. Sounds familiar? Then we copy its link into YTMP3 to get the MP3 file. Finally, we'll import that soundtrack into our CapCut project. Once it's there, adjust it so the transition matches the beat drop. And there you have it. That's how you create these super viral fusion videos. I hope you grasp the entire process, and now you can add your own personal flair, like sound effects, to really stand out. Good luck, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing new faceless AI content every week, so stay tuned.